In this video, we will go over another special right triangle, 45, 45, 90. And here's the reference. So 45 degrees corresponds to x, 45 degrees corresponds to x, and the 90 degrees correspond to x times the square root of 2. And we will solve these four problems. But if you want to pause the video now, feel free. So with all four of these problems, we have 45, 45, 90. And this value right here is given, and it's 10, and that corresponds to 90 degrees. And so we know that the 45 degree would be this value divided by the square root of 2. So 10 divided by the square root of 2. Now we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying the square root of 2 divided by the square root of 2. So we get 10 times the square root of 2 divided by 2, so 5 square root of 2. So this right here is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees, and so the value is the same. So this length is 5 square root of 2, and this length is also 5 square root of 2. In this problem, they gave us one side length, which corresponds to 45 degrees, which is 10. And so we know 90 degrees would be 10 times the square root of 2, and likewise, the other 45 degree would be 10. Now, this problem, they gave us the side corresponding to 90 degrees, which was 10 times the square root of 2. And so if I want to solve for this and this, I just divide by the square root of 2. And so I would get 10, and I would get 10. And now for the last problem. So they gave us one side which corresponds to 45 degrees, which is 4 times the square root of 2. And so I know the other 45 degrees will be the same length because it's the same angle. And the side opposite to 90 degrees will be that value times the square root of 2. So we would get 4 times 2, which is 8. The nice thing about these types of problems, you can always double check, because we know that 10 squared plus 10 squared would give us this value squared. And that's pretty much it for this video.